Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is safe handling and storage of water. Before we start this topic, let me tell you we have already learned about the balanced diet in food chapter and the need of water for our body. In that chapter, we have discussed that we should eat 8 to 10 glasses of water every day for proper functioning of our body, because we need water for proper digestion of food, to excrete the waste material from our body, okay, and different other activities. So in this chapter, we are going to read how to handle safely and how to store the water safely for our proper use. Because if we not handle safely, if we not use properly, if we not store the water properly, then it may get some germs or dust in it, which is not good for us. We will discuss it here. So let us first discuss what is potable water. You know, potable water means the water which is clean and fit for drinking. The water which is clean and fit for drinking, that is called potable water. Every day we drink 8 to 10 glasses of water, that must be clean and fit for drinking. Okay? The water which is clean and fit for drinking is called potable water. Okay? You see, in different places, like in villages, people get water from rivers, ponds, and some other underground sources like tube wells, or wells. Okay? So generally, people of villages, people get water from these sources, okay, which contain different types of dirts, dust and germs in it. But in cities, अगर हम cities की बारे में बात करें, then in cities generally we get water for our use is from the taps. हमारे घर में पानी का टैप लगा होता है, किचन में गए टैप ओपन किए और हमने पानी पिया. So we get generally water from the tap. The water in river, water in ponds, water in tube wells, water in wells, they may contain different dust particles, dirt particle, and different kinds of germs in it. But the water we get in cities, that is from the tap, they might be clean from these things. Okay, उसमें dust या फिर dirt नहीं हो सकता, but we cannot say that it is free from germs. इसमें भी germs हो सकते हैं. Okay, so what will happen if we drink this unclean water? ये जो गंदा पानी है, ये जो unclean water है, जिसमें dust है, dirt है, germs है, इनको पीने से क्या क्या हो सकता है? If we drink these kinds of unclean water, we may suffer from different diseases like jaundice, cholera, dysentery, diarrhea. This kind of diseases may occur, and other stomach ailments also occur, other stomach infections also occur by drinking this unclean water. So what to do? In cities also the people get water from the taps, that is also not very clean. Okay, they may also suffer from different diseases like dysentery, cholera or diarrhea, because they may get water which is free from dust, which is free from dirt, but they cannot get water which is free from germs. Germs से हम लोग कैसे छुटकारा पाएं? Because they are very tiny objects or tiny organism, very small organism which we cannot see with our naked eyes. इन germs से कैसे छुटकारा पाएंगे? ठीक है? तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to purify the water. Water को हम लोग purify करेंगे. How to purify? There are different methods of purification of water. There are different methods of purification of water. That different methods we will discuss here one by one. First one is boiling. First one is boiling. Boiling means all of you know पानी को उबालना, ठीक है? If we boil the water at an about 100 degree Celsius, then what will happen? The germs present in water will get destroyed, or the boiling kills the germs present in water. Hence the water will become drinkable or which is clean. Okay. Another method that is filtration. Another method that is filtration. What is filtration? To filter the water through a thin cloth या फिर हम लोग आजकल जो मॉडर्न फिल्टर यूज करते हैं, कोई अलग अलग कंपनी का आता है, कोई एलजी का लेता है, कोई एक्वागार्ड का लेता है, कोई कैन प्यूरिफायर यूज करता है. दैट इज द मॉडर्न फिल्टर्स. बट फिल्ट्रेशन कैन बी डन इन टू वेज. वन इज ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. Another one is the modern filter method. Modern filter. Okay. In traditional method, what we'll do? In traditional method, generally we have 4 pots like this, one after another. Okay. The first pot will contain some gravels. They will contain some gravels, यानी कि small stones. Okay, which purify the water from the big suspended particles. Then the second layer must contain some amount of sand particles, in it, which remove the smallest or small dirt particles or dust particles. Then the third layer will contain some charcoal here, which absorbs the bad smells. In it, and this last one will get the purified water. Okay, which is clean water. This is the traditional method of filtration. Traditional method of filtration, where 4 pots are given here. If you pour water here, then the big suspended particles will stay here, because the gravels will not allow them to move to the next pot. Then the sand particles here, they will also not allow the small dirt particles to move to the next layer. Then the charcoal will absorb the different bad smells present in that water, and in last pot we will get some purified water, which can be taken out through a tap, and by using a glass we can take out this water to drink. Okay, this is the traditional method of filtration. In this method, what will happen? Only the dirt particles can be removed, but we cannot remove the germs, because germs are the small organisms and they can travel through the gravels, through the sand, through the charcoal, and the water that we are telling that the purified water, it is not free from the germs. इसमें germs हो सकते हैं. So this traditional method will not work out if we not boil the water. अगर हम पानी को पहले boil कर देते हैं, उसके बाद भी traditional filter use करते हैं, then we can get purified water. Okay, तो पहले boil करो, फिर traditional method में filter करो, एक pot में gravel रखो, फिर sand रखो. This is a very lengthy process. We cannot do it because in this busy schedule, one person cannot do these things alone. Okay, so nowadays what will happen? We are using the modern filters. This modern filter will not only kill the germs, they will remove the dust, dirt and germs at a time, and they will provide us purified water. So सबसे बेहतर तरीका है use a modern filter or boil the water at 100 degrees Celsius. These are the two most effective methods. Apart from this, another method is that is called chlorination. The third method is that chlorination. ये क्या है? Chlorination means adding chlorine into the water to make it purified. We must add some amount of chlorine. Chlorine is an element which is available in the market. You can take it from the market and add a small amount of chlorine. If you add a small amount of chlorine into it, then what will happen? This chlorine will kill the germs present in water and make the water fit for drinking. Okay, so these are the different methods of purification of water. How to purify? By the process of boiling, by filtration and by chlorination. This is all about this class. In the next class, we will discuss more about this topic.